This period in time that we all are going through in the whole world is full of fear, anxiety, stress, uncertainty, and confusion. Although we try not to get depressed by the news and updates, forwarded messages going around, and try our best to stay positive by devising different ways for ourselves, like listening to hymns and verses from our scriptures, or trying to calm our mind with various methods like yoga, meditation, etc., so as to suppress the negativity that is all around us. But then we realize, although these things work, but it is only for a short period of time. They are temporary. Then we watch comedy shows or movies trying to come out of the depression and anxiety. That also works only till the time we come across something worse than what we have heard or read till now. While thinking about all this, I came across a famous Sufi saint Rumi's beautiful quotation which said, "Try something different, surrender," where he was saying in a simple but precise manner, when nothing else is working, then turn to God and leave everything to Him. I was highly impressed by the idea and thought, why not? The second thought was, we all are going through the same circumstances. Let us all try it together. So, let us listen and understand Rumi's advice along with this verse of Guru Arjan Dev, who is actually elaborating Rumi's suggestion in simple words. He says, "ठाकुर तुम सरनाई आया, उतर गयो मेरे मन का संसा, जब ते darshan पाया." O my Lord, I seek refuge in Thee. The greatest thing that happened after that is all the doubts and anxiety of my mind have suddenly disappeared and I am at peace. This took place since I got a chance to see Your blessed form and surrendered myself unto Your divinity and grace. Do you remember when we were small children? What did we do anytime we were afraid? Take small things like a dog running towards us, or any bad dream we saw and we got scared, or the time we fought with a friend or a sibling. Didn't we run to our mother or father? And as soon as they put their arms around us and cuddled us, all the fear, all the anxiety vanished. Why? Simply because we had full faith that they can handle all our fears and problems without a doubt. They were our pillar of support and strength. That is exactly what we are missing now. So Guru Sahib says, when we completely surrender ourselves to the Lord and take refuge in Him, then we will become His responsibility and He will take care of us in every situation, every condition, at all times. अनबोलत मेरी बिरथा जानी, अपना नाम जपाया, दुख नाठे सुख सहज समाए, आनंद आनंद गुण गाया. Without my uttering a single word, O Lord, You are able to know my innermost sufferings. Not only that, You also give me the strength to get over all my fears and confusions and guide me and inspire me to chant Your name and remember You always in both good and difficult times. By doing so, I get a lot of strength and encouragement to keep going in life, and thus all my pains and sorrows fade away, and I am absorbed in peace, tranquility, and bliss. My heart wants to do nothing else now except sing your glorious praises, and let the whole world know that when we run the race of life alone, then it is a rat race, which is exhausting, endless, and meaningless. But if we hold God's hand and run, we receive zest, zeal, wisdom, peace, and most of all, unconditional love. And all this is grace. So, what can be better than seeking refuge in the Lord's sanctuary and surrender to His will? Because He knows much better than us and knows what is good for us. बाह पकड़ कड लीने अपने ग्रह अंधकूपते माया, कहो नानक गुरु बंधन काटे बिछड़त आन मिलाया. Holding me by the arm, you have lifted me up from the deep dark pit of Maya or illusion, where I was badly entangled. Nanak says, in His graciousness, my Master has broken my bonds with this illusory world and has ended my separation from my Father by uniting me with the Lord Almighty. Now the question is, how could all this happen? Very simple. Because I surrendered my will completely to His will, and by doing so realized that the Lord loves us unconditionally and is taking care of us at all times and situations. But because we have never tried to build a relationship with Him till now, that's why we were unaware of the security, safety, love, and protection which He has been giving us always. We never thanked Him for all His blessings or remembered Him. Now, this realization will work as the strongest balm to calm our disturbed minds in these turbulent times. And when we experience all this ourselves, only then we will realize that this time spent in God's remembrance is the only way to obtain comfort and peace in this world. So, whatever the situation may be, just let us follow Guru Arjan Dev's advice and Rumi's suggestion and seek refuge in the Lord's sanctuary. Get rid of our fears, anxieties, confusions, and stress from our lives forever, so that we can also sing happily, Thakur, tum sarnai aaya, उतर गयो मेरे मन का संसा जब ते दर्शन पाया.